For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
August 19th, 2020 marks the biggest development in late actor Sushant Singh Rajput's suicide case. After fans and families' relentless fight for over 2 months, Supreme Court finally pronounced its verdict and ordered for CBI probe into the actor's case. The Apex Court also directed the Mumbai Police to hand over all the evidence to the CBI. For the past 2 months, it had been confusion on who should be probing the case. On June 14th, after SSR was found dead at his apartment in Mumbai, the Mumbai Police had begun its investigation, which went on for 40 days. Dissatisfied with Mumbai Police's investigation, SSR's father, KK Singh, had filed an FIR in Patna police station. The Bihar police then had sent a special investigation team to Mumbai, but unfortunately, the state police didn't cooperate. After a few days, the central government, on the request of Bihar government, had given a nod to CBI probe. Soon after CBI took over the case, actor Rhea Chakraborty, who is the prime accused in the case, had filed a plea in the Supreme Court seeking the transfer of FIR from Bihar Police to Mumbai Police. After hearing arguments from all the parties, the Supreme Court on August 19th pronounced its verdict and ordered CBI probe. Immediately, Twitter was flooded with #CBI takes over. SSR's sister Shweta Singh Kirti and his ex-girlfriend Ankita Lokhande too reacted on Supreme Court's verdict. There we go, finally, CBI for SSR. Thank you God, you have answered our prayers. But it is just the beginning, the first step towards the truth. Full faith on CBI. Congratulations to my extended family. So happy. First step towards victory and unbiased investigation. Justice is the truth in action. Truth wins. Actor Kangana Ranaut, who had been relentlessly calling out on people and seeking justice for SSR, also expressed happiness over Supreme Court's verdict. Humanity wins. Congratulations to each one of SSR warriors. First time I felt such strong force of collective consciousness. Amazing. Sushant Singh father's lawyer Vikas Singh reacted on the big development and said that the actor's family is very happy with the verdict.
The court has also said that any other FIR which is registered in relation to or connected with the death of Sushant Singh Rajput, that FIR also will be investigated by the CBI. So if supposing any FIR is registered today for the death of Disha Salyan, and that FIR, there is a mention that it is linked to Sushant Singh Rajput, then that FIR also will be investigated by the CBI. So it's a very important verdict. The family is extremely happy.
Bihar DGP Gupteshwar Pandey, who had claimed that Mumbai police was being non-cooperative, also expressed his happiness.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। ये अन्याय के विरुद्ध न्याय की जीत है। ये 130 करोड़ भारतीयों के भावनाओं की जीत है। और मैं ये बता देता हूँ, माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने जो ये फैसला दिया है, उससे 130 करोड़ देश की जनता के दिल में माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय के लिए जो आस्था पहले से थी, वो और ज्यादा दृढ़ हुई है। लोकतंत्र में विश्वास दृढ़ हुआ है और अब लोगों के अंदर ये उम्मीद बनी है कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के मामले में निश्चित रूप से न्याय होगा।
August 19th, 2020 is indeed a big day for everyone, especially for those who desperately wanted a CBI probe in the case. But the war has just begun, and SSR's family and fans are just waiting for the CBI to find the truth behind the actor's untimely death.